A sound cannot touch the skin, but your heart can let it in, soaking, pouring, dripping down, to wet with sound your crown. A drop, a drop, a droplet, the humble sound of thunder's roar, letting loose in cloudy skies above where even wings could soar. A crack of thunder, the tranquility of the sky, music for the mortal soul that tumbles from on high. Live within the harmony, nature's own white noise. You're allowed to rest and listen. Let slumber your weary voice. These moments belong to rainfall. We need not taint it with words. A pitter-patter on the roof, straining softly to be heard. The sound of water, life's blood, coming down to touch the earth. Lean back, laze, and listen. Appreciate with your ears its worth. All pause now to listen here. A break in revelry and cheer for the solemn silence of rainfall. Our hearts full because it's near. Rumble on, sweet thunder. Kiss gently my sleepy ears. I take a break from stress and strain to thank you for being here. In the silence of the pouring rain, we feel our broken bits and stains all wash away down the drain, and all the bad things wane. Though it may cover the sun and moon, though it may come with a monsoon, there is something about the falling rain, something pleasant, something plain. A nameless friend upon the doorstep, a faceless lover beside the road. Who are you, patient rainstorm, to comfort our hearts and souls so? Even though we never know whose voice echoes in the drops, it calls to us as sweet as music, staying with us when it stops. Always it will someday rain again. Breaks in the action now and then. Pauses in the stories our lives tell. Background noise for a peaceful spell. A tickle, a tickling sound that dribbles and bobs, spiraling down. Let the music clean out your crown as you rest easy to hear the rain. You worked hard today again, so take it easy now and then. Listen with a satisfied grin and let these sounds ease your pain. Rain, rain, come to play. We gladly invite you to stay. We need these moments to ourselves. Visit and be loved today.